Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.